Ever wondered how those highly engaging whiteboard animation videos are made? The ones where a hand draws out complex ideas in real time. What if you could make them yourself in minutes, even with zero design or video editing skills? Welcome back. Today, we are looking at VideoScribe, a dedicated whiteboard animation software built to help you explain complex ideas clearly. Whether you are in learning and development, HR, or marketing, VideoScribe is designed to turn dry documents and flat slides into visual stories that people actually remember. They even offer a free 7-day trial so you can test it out yourself. Let's dive into how it works and what makes it stand out. The beauty of VideoScribe is that it is built for teams who need video, not video professionals. You don't have to worry about a steep learning curve. First, let's talk about assets. VideoScribe comes packed with millions of professionally hand-drawn images, characters, icons, and scenes covering almost every industry. But what if you can't find the exact image you need? VideoScribe actually includes built-in AI image generation to help you create custom visuals on the spot. To make the creation process even faster, you can use their AI script generation to write your video's narrative. From there, you can control the drawing hands, choose your animation styles, and organize everything using their scenes, timeline, and camera controls. To wrap up your project, you can use their AI voiceovers and audio editing tools, then export and share your video easily. One of the best features of VideoScribe is that your projects stay editable. If a company policy, product feature, or training workflow changes, you don't have to rebuild the entire video from scratch. You simply open your project, update the specific visual or text, and re-export. It's a great way to build a growing, maintainable library of content that your organization fully controls. Now, let's talk about user feedback. To be completely transparent, we don't have third-party user reviews in our research database today to share a broad public consensus. However, looking at the platform's design, the main benefit is clearly its simplicity and targeted focus on whiteboard animations. The potential trade-off is that it is highly specialized. It's designed to do one job incredibly well. So if you are looking for complex cinematic video editing, you might find its streamlined feature set focused strictly on whiteboard explainer videos. Overall, if you need to explain technical workflows, compliance training, or complex products in a way that actually sticks, VideoScribe is a highly efficient tool that bypasses the need for expensive video production teams. If you want to try it out for your next project, head over to videoscribe.co and sign up for their free 7-day trial. What kind of explainer video are you planning to make? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. See you in the next one.